Welcome to my channel. This is sort of kind of a director's cut. These are clips that I shot while developing certain equipment to use with ultra high speed cameras, which allowed me to film the Prince Rupert's drop and popcorn popping in such amazing resolution at incredible frame rates. This is the type of work that goes into this stuff behind the scenes that nobody gets to see. This was a 7-month-long project, and since the clips didn't have any substance beyond development, I never posted them, but they are still 400,000 frames per second. This is a little doll that my guy Emilio made for our friends at Vision Research, but instead of shipping it to them, I decided to blow them up and film it with one of their cameras at 400,000 frames per second. So that's what I did.
I play this thing to win, no one for hiding. Feel you on my skin, no need to fight it. It feels better when the lights go down again and we can both give in. Never been one to need nobody, but I come undone when you hold me. It feels better when the lights go down again and we can both give in. Let the games begin. Got a head start, catch up to me, you can win. Nothing to lose, whatever you choose. Hold my breath, get in my groove. Waiting out for your next move. Let the games begin. Closer now to you. I cannot hide it, and it feels better when the lights go down again. We can both give in. Stop to drink you in.
Hopefully that was interesting to you. One of the biggest comments I get is how anybody can just grab a high-speed camera and film with it. But let me tell you, I wish it was that easy. A lot of work goes into even the simplest videos. I have a whole bunch of these types of clips on all sorts of different subjects, so make sure you subscribe. Check out my show called Warped Perception, and tell me if there's anything that you want to see, because I'm pretty sure I may have it in my library. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. See you soon.